Hi guys! This is John again from Jandam District, and for today's video guys, another application na naman tayo kung saan ka pwede kumita online. And by the way guys, share ko lang pala sa inyo na ginamit ko muna yung application na to bago ko i-share sa inyo para makasigurado tayong kikita ka talaga dito online. Sa application na to guys, maraming ways kung paano ka kikita online. Pwede ka mag-share lang ng points, mag-share ka ng post sa Facebook, magta-try ka ng mga application at magsasagot ka ng mga surveys at marami pang iba pang ways to earn extra money dito. So by the way guys, after nyo makomplete yung isang specific task, points na makukuha ninyo. Once na-reach na yung threshold, pwede na kayo makapag-cash out agad dito. At syempre, huwag na nating patagalin pa, i-discuss ko na sa inyo kung anong application na ito. So guys, umpisa na natin. Ang application nga pala natin guys ay walang iba kundi ang Make Money Earn Cash. As what you can see guys, meron siyang 149,000 ratings at may 4.8 star reviews. So guys, napaka-legit ng application na to at as you can see as well, number 50 na siya sa chart for lifestyle. So guys, ang next nyo lang gawin is click nyo lang yung download and then wait nyo na lang ma-download. And then i-open natin yung application at pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo kikita dito online, okay? So guys, after nyo ma-download, click nyo lang yung open and then wait na lang natin. Click lang natin tong allow para lagi tayo makaka-receive ng notification kung meron man tayong kailangan ng complete na task. So by the way guys, as yan, what you can see, earn credits, get cash, and then get paid pass. So dito guys, payout will take around 3 working days and are paid directly to your account. So guys, meron akong referral code dito. Enter nyo na lang dito kung gusto nyo. Check nyo yung video description ng video na to and then click nyo lang yung start agad. After nyo i-click yung start guys, mapupunta kayo sa important ATT information. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin dito is i-click nyo lang yung allow. And then guys, click nyo lang ulit yung allow dyan kasi pag sinelect nyo yung ask app na to track, there's a possibility na hindi kayo makakapag task ng iba. So as what you can see guys, nandito na tayo sa homepage at meron tayong attendance bonus dyan guys. So kailangan nyo lang mag-watch ng specific ads and then after nyo mag-watch ng specific ads, makakakuha na kayo agad ng points. So guys, pag nandito na kayo sa homepage, ayan, pwede kayong kumita ng 5,000 coins by completing the task of the day. Napakadali lang yan guys, da-download nyo lang yung application, maglalaro lang kayo and then click nyo lang yung okay. So guys, by the way, kung sinelect nyo kaninang ask app na to track, then mapuprompt kayo sa page na to, kailangan nyong i-allow yung tracking dito sa mismong application na to. And then after that, balik lang kayo sa mismong application at ayan, may kita nyo na yung mga pwedeng task nyo na i-complete. Pwede kayong mag-download ng application, laro nyo lang, pwede kayong mag-invite friends, ayan, merong FB share, mag-share lang kayo ng post, ganun lang kadali kumita dito guys. So guys, pag clinic nyo nga pala dito yung balance sa baba, dyan nyo makita yung mga earnings ninyo. And then as what you can see guys, ayan yung mga required amount or points para makapag-cash out kayo dito. So minimum cash out dito is $5 and then the maximum is $50. That's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have a comment, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!